Gilly and Tom. Today reinforces everything you know about your love, trust, and respect for each other. No matter what life throws at you, rely on those foundations and you will see your bond grow stronger.
This is the first day of my life. I swear I was born right in the doorway. I went out in the rain, suddenly everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach.
It's on the bend, isn't it?
Getting married is a lifelong promise to love, respect, trust, and honor each other through the good and the bad.
The skies above are blue, and my heart was wrapped.
Tom, do you take Gilly to be your wife?
I will.
Gilly, do you take Tom to be your husband?
I do.
Fabulous.
We got this real glass.
I looked at you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
My love, my lover, 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 I'm in paradise whenever I'm with you. My mind, my mind, well it's a paradise whenever I'm with you. Ride on, well, I will ride on down the road, I will find you, I will hold you, I'll be there. It's long, well it's a mighty long road, but I'll find you, I will hold you and I'll be there. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. My time, my time, well it's a never-ending helter-skelter. We'll be out whatever the weather. My heart, my boom, boom, heart it's a beat and it's a thumping and I'm alive. I know you heard it from
the venue for the first meeting of the Queensland and Lancashire Brexit parties coming together for this special occasion. Sorry, we're here for the wedding.
It's real, it's something that I feel. your bloody veins. You know it's love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way.
And we've only gone about 10 miles, and somebody from the back seat would say, are we there yet? But we had some super times, so the south of France is happy days for us.
You're gonna shrimp on the barbie? So family and friends, enjoy the evening surrounds of this magnificent place. Thanks so much for coming along.
Weep for yourself, my man. You'll never be what is in your heart.
So when Dad said that, are we there yet? That was the, are we there yet? We've lost feeling in both legs.
Rate yourself.
And the gravy. Yeah, come home to gravy.
So we're so chuffed for Gilly and Tom. What an amazing 2019 we've had for all of our families. We're very proud. Thank you.
And when they said Gillian Harrison, I just said, she's going to be my best friend. I told you this later, she's like, you weirdo! But you know what? Here we are, so I was actually right.
This time, deny my dear.
His nickname in grade 8 was Badger, or Badger Milk, or Badger Titties. So
I'm so thankful that you've all come. It's so lovely that you're all
Tommy, what a tight little team unit we have. Onwards and upwards with our life adventures together. How much fun we're going to have. I love you very much.
And I know TT loves his mum so much, and he honestly draws on the energy of your smiles every day to Jill. So I tell myself all the time that I'm a very, very lucky man.
It was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my dear? And it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my dear?